No matter the job, no matter the industry, give your business a dependable maintenance and service solution tailored to your equipment. With the Cummins Power Care service agreement, we ensure a dedicated collaboration focusing on your goals and challenges, and we are committed to developing a robust maintenance and service plan to meet them. Whether it's ensuring timely parts delivery, servicing equipment on site, lowering operational risk, reducing environmental impact, or leveraging digital tools to reduce maintenance costs, optimize service intervals, and increase uptime, Powercare can help. Have confidence that Powercare supports you with genuine Cummins parts and labor, as well as our global distribution network. Ensure you have the most innovative solutions to help you conquer the challenges of today and tomorrow. To learn more about Cummins Power Care, visit cummins.com/powercare.